Hi, I'm Will Corley. I'm an associate systems engineer with JMP. I support most of JMP's users in New Jersey in the United States, and I'm also the creator of the Graphs for the Experimenter add-on. Graphs for the Experimenter is kind of the result of some discussions around what we could do to make JMP's visualization capabilities more approachable, especially to people with background in the research life sciences. A lot of times the most informative component of especially a research poster is going to be those graphs, right? So one of the things we really tried to capture in Graphs for the Experimenter is a lot of those kind of general forms of those graphs you're going to encounter in the life sciences industry, and then trying to kind of seed how you might want to structure your data to achieve that result and kind of how you might want to interact with those graphs. So you're going to launch your Graphs for the Experimenter add-in from the add-in drop-down menu. And when you launch the add-in, you're going to see a single window with a bunch of different pictures of graphs. And when you hover over these images, you'll notice that you get a tooltip, and this is indicating that there's an actual button functionality to these. So what you can do is you can scan through these graphs, and if you're interested in seeing how this graph is actually built and some additional analytics that you might want to pursue in this sort of scenario, you can go ahead and actually click on one of these graphs. So you're going to see primarily this dashboard that contains, in the top left, a window with our graph builder that is being built using our example table down here below. And then you'll also notice here to the right that we have some additional reports that you might want to explore. So you're going to see a similar approach with every single one of these other visualization scenarios. And I invite you to click and explore and even open up the control panel of these graphs and see which columns are allocated to what roles and which elements are configured on in the graph and so on. You can find the Graphs for the Experimenter add-in and so much more at marketplace.jmp.com.